screwdriver. Wiggle and forward.
And basically,
This bumper has a clip. Let's see. It's clipped like so. But screws out. Two things off. This has clips to here on the front. Bumper's off. So this has to come off. See, there's some screws. Thank you. Fun time production. Alright now. In the front. Alright, and it's out and you fish it out of this. So it's actually a 5.5 millimeter. Used a star, but alright, it's finally clicked in. Here there's a little ladder, and each one has a circle to clip the ladder on each fan. So there's little circles right here, and it's like a ladder if you can think of it. So these fins work now. I don't know if this motor's still good, but yeah, pretty cool. So these have little clips, basically clicking right here and clicking right here. I went ahead and clipped this on, so there's clips underneath. There's two screws on there. Here, plugs here. Returning it back